Then we'll start making alphabets. The alphabets which I have already drawn, but I'll show you the demo of it. Starting with the A, what we have to do is to make an oval. And then make a line over here. And then again, like this. From this line, you have to take a U-turn downward and make a slash over here. Then the turn B. Okay, one thing which is necessary is that while making these lines, the two lines, you have to take care of the distance between it. You can't just make lines like this कि उसका जो डिस्टेंस है वो धीरे धीरे कम होना चाहिए. एकदम से कम होगा तो इस तरीके का उसमें कमी नज़र आएगी. तो आपने ये नहीं करना है, आपने धीरे धीरे उसे पास करना. और मे बी आप एक स्ट्रेट लाइन रख सकते हैं, दूसरी लाइन को धीरे धीरे पास ला सकते हैं एंड देन जॉइन इट. फर्दर बी का आगे का बनाने के लिए द सर्कल इट शुड बी ओवल, not round at all. Then C, make C first of all, a big C and the inner line. Take care that it should not be the straight, it should be oval as the C is. Then D. This should not be oval, this should be a bit triangular. Please take care of these distance. The distance must be almost same in each alphabet so that it should look symmetrical. If you will make lesser somewhere lesser and somewhere thicker or the broader, so it will not come as it is what you are looking here. So you have to follow some things, some rules for these. Okay, this is the broadest one. E, and then now turn F, slash this. Okay, you can play with this line, or maybe you can make a smiley over here, or maybe the straight or a wavy one. So this line can be replaced with any other line. It can be curve, it can be smiley, like smiley curve, it can be downward, but don't make downward, it looks sad, the alphabet looks sad, so we have to make it happy. So this line should be in a smiley face or maybe straight, or just curve it like waves. Then comes to G. Just like D, what you have done in D, a triangular oval. So similarly you have to draw a triangular oval first, and then from this point, just like A, what we have done in a U-turn. This U should be visible, down and then a slash. For H, just similar like B, and then from the lower part just a wave. Let's come to I. J, make a normal J first, and then keep in mind the distance between the letters. Here the distance is this, here the distance is this. So take care of this thing, that no letters should overlap each other. So take care of the distance between them and make lines according to that. Okay, few letters are we draw the few letters in a similar way, like B, H, F, K. These are almost similar, if you can see. So now L. L is a bit oval letter, so make it in an oval way, just as we did with the E. It's a big version of E. You can put slash over here also and a line here. Now let's come to M. Make the first, this bar, a bit bigger than this wave. N. You can use slant lines. O. Don't make a straight oval for O. Make bend tilt. Take care of the distance in between. Then P. Again, triangular oval. Come to Q. Just like what we have done in G, similarly Q. O, and then this R. This bar and then this. For S, make this curve a bigger, little bit outside, and then this a smaller. Now start from here, this line, just few, almost 1 centimeter from here or half centimeter from here, like this. So here this curve is smaller and this is bigger. On the outer one, this is bigger and this is smaller. This is how we can maintain a distance between here and this side. Now T. You can tilt the letters like this. And now, as I was talking about F, the line above of F, you can make like this. So here what we have done with the F, we made a straight line, so you can replace that line with a smiley one. Then U, make a small line over here. This distance between this line and this line should be enough so that you can make this line in between. So take care of this thing that one more line has to come between. So take care of the distance between this line and this line. Now comes to V. W. See how I made this one more deeper and broader, because one more line has to come in between, like this. X. What we have done in U, we have to repeat over here for Y. Now make two parallel lines, but it should start from here, it should start from here, it should end here, and it should end here. Now make two parallel lines to join them. That's all. That is what you will get. Now you have to submit this work tomorrow with a pencil only. I will tell you how to color it in the next video on the alternative day, and before that, just draw these letters. This is known as typography. This is bar typography, because these are the bars. So this is bar typography. You can take I'll upload one picture of it so that you don't have to see the video again and again. All the best for it.